Hi, I'm going to show you a demonstration of the plugin that I created. So it is a Gravity Form add-on that lets you connect to Klaviyo, allowing form submissions to be converted into Klaviyo profiles and automatically subscribe to a specific Klaviyo list. So let's go to the Gravity Form settings and then click Klaviyo. So you're going to add your Klaviyo API key here. So the API key needs to have read and write access to the list, and the profile needs to have the read and write access as well. So these links will take you to the API keys, to your API keys. So save the settings, and then click the forms, and then add a new one. I'm going to select blank and then newsletter, for example. Calculate the form. So the fields are going to be first name, last name, and email. So the email is a required field, and then the last name, the first name and last name can be optional, but I'm going to add it here. So first name, and then um, last name. Okay, just like that, save the form. And once that's saved, go to the form settings and click Klaviyo, and it will take you to the Klaviyo feeds. So let's add a new one. And here you can find the feed name. So that's the Klaviyo feed name. It can be anything. And then the list ID. So that's the list ID from Klaviyo. So this is my list and this is the ID. Okay. So I'm going to copy that and then paste it in here. And then you can also validate the list ID. So let's check if it's valid. So list is valid. So that's good. And then let's start mapping the fields. So email. So email, first name, last name. Okay, just like that. Save the settings and then let's preview it. Okay, let's test it. So let's say John and then Smith, John Smith, and then submit. Okay, so let's go back to the list and then refresh. We should be able to see the entry. Okay, as you can see here, it says John Smith. Okay, so let's go back to the form and then on the entries and view it. And inside the notes section, you can also see the entry successfully added to lists or to Klaviyo lists, and then the um, list ID. So here in the Klaviyo feeds, you can also resync, so you can resubmit just in case there are errors during the processing of the entry to Klaviyo. So let's try to change or make the list invalid. So let's go back to the settings and then edit it. And then let's just say, for example, I remove the E and then save settings and then review again. And then hello world, and then hello world at gmail.com. Okay. So this is just a placeholder entry. So submit. And we should not be expecting this entry in this list because the list ID is invalid. Okay, so let's go back to the form and then entries, and here click on the entry, and as you can see in the notes, it says Klaviyo feed in list API Klaviyo feed 1 list API Klaviyo error. So it says list and then it does not exist. So that means this list ID is invalid. So let's fix that. Go back to Klaviyo and then edit and then add the E and then save settings and then go back to the entries and then click the entry and then let's resync it. So click the button and then refresh the page and you'll see the notification that says entry successfully added to Klaviyo list and then the Klaviyo ID. So let's refresh the list again. We should be able to see the new entry. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this helps. You can download the plugin link in the description below.